नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन् इति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यादि पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. So welcome back devotees to the purport of Srimad Bhagavatam 5.14.3. मैं लास्ट टाइम चर्चा किया था on the translation and this video we will be discussing on the purport. So here is the verse. You can check the last video for continuation of this verse. We will be starting from the purport. Hare Krishna. श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय। Purport. Here Prabhupada is quoting क्या कहते हैं वो, कहावत नहीं बोलते। वन हिंदी पोएट हैज संग, दिन का दकिनी रात का भगिनी पालक पालक लहू खुसे। मीन्स इट इज मतलब इन हिंदी देयर आर मैनी वो कहावत हो सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं उसको, एंड देयर आर मैनी एग्जांपल्स टू, बट आउट ऑफ दोज एग्जांपल्स Srila Prabhupada is quoting one example of this. दिन का दकीनी रात का बाघिनी पालक पालक लहू कुसे. During the daytime, here Srila Prabhupada is giving the English translation. During the daytime, the wife is compared to a witch, and at night she is compared to a tigress. Her only business is sucking the blood of her husband day and night. Not only for the gender, मतलब gender के लिए बोल नहीं रहे, but it is for both women, for men, for men it can be a woman, for women it can be a man. So यहाँ पे gender bias नहीं चल रहा है, but we have to consider that this material relationship is this only, this दिन का दकिनी रात का बाघिनी पालक पालक लोग कुछ. So yes, her only business. During the day there are household expenditure. Yes, इसको हमको है ना, we have to very deeply we have to study this every sentence Srila Prabhupada has given. Why a woman or why a husband's wife is compared to a witch and a tigress? Who is a witch? अभी हम in हिंदी we can say a चुड़ैल, और हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ना कि वेम्पायर, वो वेम्पायर खून चूसता है एट नाइट. एंड टाइग्रेस आपको पता होगा कि देर इज द टाइगर, और द female counterpart of the tiger is tigress, and they kill the humans or animals for the meat or drinking the blood. So yes, why Shripada is comparing? Because during the daytime there are household expenditure. हम बोलते हैं ना कि मैंने मेरे ये मेहनत के पसीने से मैंने कमाया है, या मैंने खून एक बूंद बूंद खून बहाकर मैंने इतना पैसा कमाया है. सो दैट हार्ड अर्न मनी हमने 5.14.2 में चर्चा किया था, बट इन द 5.14.3 जो हार्ड अर्न, इतना मेहनत से जो कमाया हुआ जो पैसा होता है, वो भले ही एक पुरुष इतना भी उसको बचाने की कोशिश कर रहा हो, बट द सो कॉल्ड मटेरियल रिलेशनशिप लाइक wife and children, they take it away. So here Shripada is saying that he is giving examples of the same sentence he had given in the last verse, that there are household expenditures and the money earned by the husband at the cost of his blood is taken away. Why cost of his blood? क्योंकि एक व्यक्ति यहाँ पे अभी तो बहुत बुरा वर्क कल्चर हो गया है. क्यों? बिकॉज द पर्सन हैज टू वर्क 9 hours a day, कभी कभी ओवर टाइम ऑफ आफ्टर 9 hours. So he is literally eating and using the energy for earning money. So the energy here used by the person is blood only. The blood is only his energy, and he is spending his blood for the money. So the cost of his blood, the husband has given the cost of his blood to take money, but the household expenditures, the money is spent, household expenditure या पत्नी के लिए कपड़े खरीदना या वो खरीदना, मतलब खाना खरीदना, and everything is taken away. And at night, how at night the wife is compared to a tigress or bloodsucker, because at night, due to sex pleasure, the husband discharges blood in the form of semen. Why? The Because in Ayurveda there is mentioning that 60, someone says that it is 40, but जितना मैंने मुझे पता है that 60 drops of blood becomes 1 drop of semen. Whatever we eat, the last, अभी वो 8 stages से गुजर के जाएगा, खून बनेगा उसका, ये बनेगा वो सब, मतलब there are particular types of things which will be created after we eat food. But after we eat food, the last and the most potent thing which converts, which our body converts that food into, is the semen. So that's why there are many shastra. I have also heard a lecture about it, that it is said that the loss of semen is the greatest loss, क्योंकि 1 drop of semen और 60 drops of blood, अब 60 drops of blood बनाने के लिए हमको शायद कितना 3-4 दिन का खाना, 1 drop का blood. So if we consider even 10 to 15 to 20 milliliters of semen wasted, अभी तो digital sex life आ गया है, because people are wasting their semen in pornography, digital pornography, or so many things are there. क्योंकि also my Shiksha Guru said once that if one wants to come up, if one wants to progress, there are many hindrances, there are many obstacles, but if someone wants to fall down, it can happen at any moment. मतलब there are many facilities available to fall down. So for that क्षणिक pleasure for people, I'm saying to youth and people of my age, abhi yes. So giving our blood, so how much blood, चलो 1 ml, so 1 drop of semen तो कितना 0.5 या 0.2 ml होगा. So we can say that a person is wasting around 100 ml to 200 ml of blood in one semen discharge. So like this, at night, at day, as the household expenditure, and at night, due to sex pleasure, the husband discharges blood the form of semen. In this way he is bled by his wife. Bled means खून, ऐसा निचोड़, ऐसा हम नाखून मारे तो कैसा कैसा खून निकलेगा, ऐसे bled by his wife both day and night. Yet he is so crazy yes, yet he is so crazy that he very carefully maintains her. अब आप अगर किसी को रियलाइजेशन देखो, अभी तो हमको वी आर गेटिंग अ थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज अबाउट दिस, हम भले इसमें जी भी क्यों ना रहे हो, बट वी आर गेटिंग अ थियोरेटिकल knowledge about this, so we cannot apply this. But if someone is realized कि I am just मतलब दिन मतलब मैं भी क्या बोलूँ, I am just maintaining a person who is taking my blood again and again and giving me nothing in return. So why am I maintaining her? So if one realizes that this thing, and that particular person would leave the home and search for the what is the goal of my life, what is the purpose of my life. So that's why Shrarupada is becoming such blunt. He is giving such blunt statements. So we must understand this. Similarly, the children are also like tigers. Oh yes, jackals and foxes. As tigers, jackals and foxes take away the lambs despite the herdsman विजिलेंट प्रोटेक्शन. हमने लास्ट टाइम हमने चर्चा किया था कि हु इज अ हर्ड्समैन, एंड कैसे वो अपने शीप और या अपने डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स का कैसे वो ख्याल रखता है. स्टिल ड्यू टू आउट ऑफ फोर्स द चिल्ड्रन एंड वाइफ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्या कहते हैं carnivorous animals, they take it away. So yes, this is the thing. Children take away the father's money, although the father supervises the money himself. Thus, family members may be called wives. Yes, thus family members may be called wives and children's, but actually they are plunderers. So Shrupad is giving very very blunt statement. Even if we say this in front of some public who are crazy, they will just मतलब they will go mad, they will go crazy कि क्या बोल रहे हो करके, कुछ तो मर्यादा रखो करके. नो, बट साधु का क्या कर्तव्य होना चाहिए, that he has to cut. Sadhu means what? Guru means what? Guru means the one who जो अंधकार को काटता है. So without these blunt statements, without these exposed statements you are getting, we will not be able to wake up. So due to our, because for our, हमारा ही कल्याण, हमारा ही waking up from this material world, from this material consciousness to spiritual consciousness, Shripad and even Shukdev Goswami are giving such blunt statements. So we must accept this, accept it very हमको humility के साथ इन सबको statements को we must accept. So that was the small purport. Next का purport हम देखते हैं. There is medium size translation और purport छोटा है. So next time we will what to, we'll cover the whole verse in one video only. So for this, that was it for today. 5.14.3 का purport. Thank you. अगर मेरे से कोई गलती हो गई तो मुझे क्षमा करना. But and if there is any recommendation you want to give this fallen soul, you can also comment in the comment section. Thank you. हरे कृष्णा. श्री प्रभुपाद की जय. श्री श्री राधा गिरिधर भगवान की जय. आप सभी भक्त वृंद की जय. हरे कृष्णा. श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय.